lot of fun, and at the same time I learned a lot. Every day there was something new. It was really intuitive and interesting.
It's a well-organized summer camp. I didn't expect it to be organized this well because I came to know from Deepika this is the first time. I think they have learned quite a lot.
This gives a good exposure for her so that she can decide whether she wants to pursue this as a career or not.
I learned how to think differently, like ways that I did not think before, and I learned a lot of new things. So with that, I was able to perform better.
It was really fun. We had hands-on learning on everything. So yeah, it was pretty great.
Every day she came out to me, she explained each and every bit of what she did that day. So that night conversations that we had with her was really inspiring.